Welcome to Toolex. Located in Houston, Texas, and privately owned and operated since 1968, Toolex has served the needs of a wide variety of industrial clients. Toolex is ISO 9001-2000 certified, and as such, routinely manufactures high-precision, sophisticated metal components of a complexity and quality level that is far beyond the capabilities of most machine tooling companies. Our experience includes many years of producing replacement parts for the aerospace industry and for many vessels of the U.S. Navy. As an ISO certified provider of replacement parts, Toolex's central focus is on quality, and as a result, Toolex has a virtually unblemished reputation as a producer of only high-quality metal components. Toolex continuously strives to maintain that record with an effective quality control and inspection program that doesn't merely inspect quality into the parts we manufacture. Instead, quality is built into each part through every phase of its production, from initial quotation to final inspection. High-precision components, as required in today's industrial marketplace, means that specific criteria must be met to ensure that the components function properly. Toolex's role as the only licensee of the replacement parts for Curtiss-Wright's Byron-Jackson pumps, utilized by the U.S. Navy, has carried with it our self-imposed quality standard. To meet or exceed the original equipment manufacturer's specifications for all parts manufactured here at Toolex. The facts prove that this goal has been achieved, as evidenced by Toolex's 100% ABVS quality rating with the Defense Logistics Agency. In addition, Toolex recently received the DLA's Vendor Excellence Award for high product quality and on-time deliveries out of thousands of suppliers. Toolex believes that in order to maintain this reputation, we must assure that both the parts manufactured in-house and items supplied from outside vendors are always within specifications. The machining of precision components requires that various criteria are met, such as the metal's hardness, physical dimensions, and chemical makeup. This requires not only specialized equipment, but also the time and attention of experienced personnel. For example, some of the critical pump components manufactured by Toolex will find application in the mechanical seal portion of the pump, where close tolerances and extreme flatness of the part is required in order for it to function properly. Toolex technicians have perfected a method of lapping such components to within 1 light band flatness and to a number 4 diamond finish. Through the use of our own in-house equipment, including an optical flat, a monochromatic light, and a surface profilometer, Toolex technicians can ensure that such a degree of flatness and finish has been achieved. At Toolex, each part is 100% checked for accuracy, tolerances, and finishes. There's no sampling, as each and every part is individually inspected. Our ISO 9001-2000 rating facilitates our quality effort as extra care is taken to produce, package, and mark each part with Toolex individual serial numbers and special tagging when appropriate to allow for complete item traceability. How has Toolex performed in these critical areas? Toolex has proven to be a company that is 100% reliable.
Now, our track record with our clients is 100% acceptance. We are relentlessly striving for excellence. This is an ongoing process. This is the way we live. This is our culture.
As a matter of fact, all of our employees are expected to be quality conscious, to keep this foremost in their minds as they work through their various responsibilities, with a goal towards complying in every possible way with the requirements of our quality program.
When operations began in 1968, Toolex President Marcel Carrascosa set out to create a company that would achieve and maintain a reputation as a manufacturer of only high-quality metal components that would be based upon three essential principles: quality, expertise, and teamwork. Toolex has therefore implemented a program where 100% of all parts are inspected regarding both incoming and outgoing inspection procedures. That means that the dimensions and specifications are checked for every part, as Toolex does not utilize sampling, where only a random number of pieces are selected for inspection from the lot. All parts are inspected 100%, whether they are machine components from in-house production or purchase parts such as O-rings, gaskets, and set screws. Also, whenever parts are sent out for heat treating, each part undergoes a triple checking process. First, the parts are 100% checked by the heat treating vendor, per our purchase order directive. Second, each part is then 100% inspected upon its return from the heat treater for hardness through the use of our own Rockwell hardness testing equipment. Toolex does not rely solely upon the certifications furnished by our heat treaters as proof that proper hardness has been achieved. And third, all parts are 100% inspected after final machining to assure that the OEM specifications have been achieved. Regarding verification of the heat treating process for those parts that require it, Toolex policy is to request furnace charts from our vendor that indicate the times, temperatures, and dates for each furnace run. Toolex then utilizes our own hardness testing equipment that is easy to use and versatile enough to verify and test all heat-treated parts for all metals Toolex machines, including bronze. In order to keep archival records of each heat-treated part, Toolex wrote our own computer software to capture this data and to catalog it for permanent record according to each unique job and serial number. In addition, Toolex maintains a program for regular calibration of all master and subordinate gauges utilized both in the inspection department as well as for use by machinists. All of this means that Toolex quality program is kept in optimum readiness in order to meet the rigid demands of both the U.S. Navy and commercial customers as well.
There are no features that go unchecked in inspection. We check 100% of all machining features, finishes, squareness, parallelism, concentricity, cosmetics, everything that is required on every single solitary part.
Toolex has also implemented a new barcoding system that utilizes Alpha 5 version 5.0 software. This new barcode will help identify each part quickly by furnishing a drawing number, a material description, a heat number, a job number with a serial number, an item name, and the location of the item within the stockroom. Each individual part is assigned a unique barcode and serial number so that in the event that a part is returned, identification can be made in seconds. The accompanying software will also facilitate inventory levels and reorder points. The Toolex quality policy, together with our experienced machinists, state-of-the-art equipment, and experienced management staff, all result in production of only the highest quality machine components. Toolex future commitments through the 21st century will include strict adherence to only the highest quality control standards, on-time parts deliveries, continuous improvement, and open communications with our customers to both determine their needs and monitor their satisfaction.